Hello, let's look at today's trades which happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And this is what a zone which we have in the morning. This is in Bank Nifty, and we'll take a Bank Nifty. So this was a gap down happened at least for 2% from the opening. So we didn't get any trade at the opening hours. So it was expected some sort of BYF to happen at this stage, and that happened, and which I posted here at 10:10. So this is what the trade which happened, but again unfortunately the momentum was not there, so the downside momentum. So but anyway, so if even we are entered in the BYF trade, we have enough time to partially exit somewhere, or we can exit this with a zero loss at exiting at the cost. And after that there was a good moment happened. And no, what happened? So let's come to this area. So this is where the buyers are looking so weak. So that is what I have mentioned here. So there was a weakness. This is what the weakness in the down movement after this BOF trade. So this were not worked out, but still the price was in a favor to a downtrend. So this whole area the buyers were weak. I posted at 10:58, and I was expected the sellers to enter at the market at this zone, but they have entered, but again they are not able to push the price down with the momentum. Look at this whole area. Look at this whole area. The sellers were not able to push the price down below this zone, right? So the same logic applied here. So we entered a short here because of this buyers were weak, and we are expecting the sellers to dominate and this buyers will exit from the market, the price will fall. But what happens actually, the sellers were weak, right, at this area. So I entered somewhere at this point and I exited partially at this area. I'm after seeing that there was a no momentum happening at this place, but that looks like a good exit decision of exiting a partially over this place. And I kept my SL at the cost over here. And what happens after that, this one was a very good up movement happened. This was not expected, and this was not in my system to take a long entry. And this immediately happened. It actually happened in just 30-40 minutes, and I didn't take any trades. And there was a short opportunity which we are expecting from the morning at 37,600. I'll show you where. And yeah, this is what a message which we uh, shared in the live analysis group. 37,600 will be a good short if it reaches that. This posted at 2 o'clock, right? So 2 o'clock is somewhere at this point, right? The 2 o'clock the price trading at 37,400. So we are expecting the price to come 37,600. We expect for a short, but yeah, as expected the price was reversed from 37. Let me draw a line here. So this is what 37,600, and it reversed. But again, I was not too happy to take any trade because it at this point I was expected a one more push, and after that it fall from again, but that doesn't happen. And because of this momentum was a bit stronger, I was expected one more push. And but it actually falls from 600 to this point, from 275 point. This was expected trade, this was expected trade, and this was expected trade, and this was unexpected trade. But the good thing is we are not in the wrong direction, or we are not lost anything in this rally. So we just exited at the cost and booked some partial profit here. And I think some of the mentees have entered short at this point, and they hopefully they have booked at this area. So it's almost 200 to 50 points, right? So in this area it is a 150, right, somewhere close to 150 point, and this area somewhere close to 250, worst case 200 points. So which is 350 points. So in the total movement of 800 points, we somehow managed to capture um, 350 points as a following the trade setup. So this is what happened in the Bank Nifty today. And Nifty, I think I didn't analyze from the morning. I was only concentrated on Bank Nifty itself, so I'm not in the right position to share anything in the Nifty. So again, so as I mentioned in the morning, I don't have any special thing, so I just followed the trading process. I wait patiently for taking my trades, and today I followed a more discipline in my trade, and this actually happened. And for the new listeners or the new viewers for this video, we will conduct a live stream during a market hours, 30 minutes or 1 hour during the session. So all these trades, all these analysis were done in the live market. So if you are new to this channel, you can consider joining this Telegram group, and you can join for the live stream during a market hours to understand the market reality without using any indicator or any chart patterns. So I welcome you there, and welcome to the logical way of trading. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.